My name is Kim. I am the network manager here at Rowan Primary School, and I've worked here for 20 years. The situation before I went to ProTech was horrendous. And the amp was so unreliable. It was down low. The children kept fiddling with all the settings, so it never worked. The Bluetooth from the parents' phones always interfered with the audio sender, so it just made assemblies and events impossible. Yeah, it was painful. We asked ProTech to replace the system with something reliable and tamper-proof, easy for staff to use, but protected so it couldn't be adjusted or unplugged. My experience of working with ProTech, really smooth, brilliant. They listened to what we needed, installed everything securely in a cupboard and made sure it was wired in, out of reach of everyone. Absolutely brilliant. The difference the new Hall AB system has made at school is life-changing, especially for the staff. It's made things so much easier. Assemblies and performances run so smoothly, sound is clear, and the staff aren't wasting time trying to fix these. And neither am I. Engineers, they were great. And they were so friendly and kept us informed of what they're doing, and just really, really good, and did a really professional job. Working with ProTech has been brilliant. I would go for it. They understand schools, they're easy to work with, and system has been totally hassle-free.